Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia Washing Machine Pro Super Electrolysis Smart Dosing Washer-Dryer is positioned as a premium all-in-one solution designed for modern households that need both capacity and intelligence in a single appliance. With a 12 kilos washing capacity and a 9 kilos drying capacity, this model clearly targets families that deal with large weekly laundry loads, including heavy items like bedding, jeans, and winter clothing. At a launch price of $505, at the core of the machine is a 1200 RPM inverter motor, which balances strong performance with improved energy efficiency and lower noise levels. Xiaomi emphasizes a wash ratio of 1.3. In practice, this translates into better stain removal in fewer cycles, helping reduce wear on fabrics while also saving time and water. For households that regularly wash heavily soiled clothing, this higher wash ratio is a meaningful upgrade rather than just a marketing number. One of the most distinctive features of this washer-dryer is Xiaomi's proprietary super electrolysis technology. Instead of relying heavily on chemical detergents or additives, the system generates active oxygen through electrolysis to break down stains, whiten fabrics, and reduce color transfer between garments. The added promise of 4 times greater color protection makes this particularly appealing for users who frequently wash mixed color loads or care about preserving the look of premium clothing over time. Hygiene is another area where the Mijia Washing Machine Pro clearly focuses its innovation. The washer supports a dual sterilization process that combines high-temperature steam with cold water electrolysis. According to Xiaomi's test data, this method can eliminate 99% of bacteria and viruses, as well as completely remove mites. This makes the appliance well-suited for families with children, allergy sufferers, or anyone washing underwear, baby clothes, or other sensitive textiles that require extra cleanliness without harsh treatment. Flexibility is further enhanced by the inclusion of 31 different wash and care modes. There is also a 12-minute rapid wash option for lightly soiled garments, which is useful for busy schedules. Another standout feature is the dual smart dispensing system. The washer can store detergent and either fabric softener or disinfectant for up to a month, automatically calculating the precise amount needed for each load. By measuring both the weight of the laundry and the level of soiling, the system dispenses detergent with milliliter-level accuracy. This not only reduces waste, but also helps prevent residue buildup on clothing and inside the drum, which is a common issue with manual overuse of detergent. On the smart home side, the Mijia Washing Machine Pro integrates tightly with Xiaomi's ecosystem. It supports the My Home app, Xiaomi smart speakers, and HyperOS Connect, allowing users to monitor wash progress in real time, schedule cycles remotely, and start or stop the machine from their phone. Over-the-air updates ensure that the appliance can receive new features and optimizations over time, which adds long-term value and keeps the software experience from feeling outdated. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia Washing Machine Pro 12 kilograms presents a compelling combination of large capacity, advanced stain removal technology, strong hygiene features, and deep smart home integration. It is clearly designed for households that want convenience, fabric care, and intelligent automation without stepping into ultra-premium pricing. For users already invested in the Xiaomi ecosystem, it stands out as a particularly attractive washer-dryer option that blends practical performance with forward-looking technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.